Oh, right. Fam, I was flying there. Oh. Bro, it would have been when I came down and smashed the concrete. Hold up. So, we finished that pack with the arm like this. Yeah. Yo, what's good, fam? Just testing this mic to see if it interrupts with our drone today. Wireless mic, I think it transmits on like 2.4G. So yeah, we're just testing it to see if it annoys our drone. We are here today at Tle Park. Just gonna do some chill flying, some chill spangity spang. Went out for a drone race today. Didn't race myself. Well, I actually did race myself, but I didn't race. I was just having a little practice on the track, so we might chuck a little bit of that in with this footage. Depends. Still out here flying the HQ Prop J37s at the moment. We were flying the candy canes for a while, but switched back to the J37s just because the candy canes were a bit too long for me. The 5.1 inch prop is a bit long on my drone, and we don't quite have the clearance with the standoffs when, like, if the prop gets a tiny bit bent, it ends up falling into the line of the standoff and stuff like that. But whereas like the 4.9 has got good clearance. We designed the frame for 5 inch, so that was my fault. But yeah, Spang Park today. Spang Park. There's one person still walking around. So we'll stick to some small packs just around these little trees at the moment, and then amp it up after a few crashes, I suppose. There's a bunch of gaps in the trees, so maybe we'll just hit a bunch of tree gaps just here in the center of the park. See how we're cruising, see how we're faring along on our props, and then once we probably get into the second or third pack, we'll spice things up a little bit. But we're talking about flying 2020 flight controllers, so here's a bit of a demonstration of our Rush FPV Explorer 50 amp. Been flying this one for about we've had it in a drone for a year. We haven't done too many packs with it. I'd say about 7 packs, because we're flying the other one mostly.
Welcome to Tango 2.
Yep. So immediately we got a bit of noise, fam, in the video feed there. Behind the tree at the moment. Lots of noise in the video. Can't notice any noise in the control. That's just me being shit. Thought about rolling there, but we didn't. Bit low. There we go. Wow, getting a bit shaky there, fam. And we crashed. rates are a little bit quicker on this drone, I think, with those props. Damn, scraped the tree there, fam. Dang it, I tried to hit the dive hole. Damn, didn't have the pull up. Ah! Damn, I knew that tree was there. Oh, there's a dive hole in that tree. There it is, fam. We're getting it. Damn, didn't quite get it there. On that hole. Can't quite see it from underneath. Oh, didn't even know where that dive hole was going, and we just went in. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good pick. Came in quite low around those paths a little bit there. It was probably a little bit dodge. Interesting. So yeah, no, this mic puts out a bit of interference.